Imagine a vast and intricate Lego castle. It's made up of millions of tiny Lego blocks, each playing a crucial role in holding the structure together. That's what our world is like. Only instead of Lego blocks, we have cells, billions upon billions of them, working tirelessly to create the miracle of life. Cells are the fundamental units of life, the smallest entities that can be classified as living organisms. They are the building blocks of all living things, from the smallest bacterium to the largest whale. Whether we're talking about a towering redwood tree or a buzzing bee, everything alive is composed of these microscopic units. Understanding cells is like unlocking the secrets of life itself. By studying these tiny structures, we gain insights into the basic processes that keep us alive, things like growth, reproduction, and the ability to respond to our environment. Without cells, there would be no life as we know it. They are the foundation upon which the entire tapestry of life is woven. Think about your own body for a moment. Your skin, your hair, your organs, your blood, they are all made up of cells, each one a bustling hub of activity. These cells work together in perfect harmony, carrying out the essential functions that keep you alive and functioning. From transporting oxygen to fighting off infections, cells are the unsung heroes of our existence, working tirelessly behind the scenes to keep us going. Now let's take a journey into this microscopic world and explore the fascinating structure of a cell. Imagine a tiny, bustling city enclosed within a flexible membrane. This membrane acts like the city walls, controlling what goes in and out of the cell. Inside the cell, we find a jelly-like substance called cytoplasm. This is like the city's bustling marketplace, where all sorts of essential activities take place. Within the cytoplasm, we encounter various structures called organelles, each with its own unique job to do. There's the nucleus, the cell's control center, housing the genetic material that directs all cellular activities. Then there are the mighty mitochondria, the powerhouses of the cell, responsible for generating the energy needed for life. And let's not forget the ribosomes, the protein factories, churning out essential molecules that the cell needs to function. Each organelle plays a vital role in the grand symphony of cellular life. While humans and many other organisms are composed of trillions of cells, there's a whole world of organisms that consist of just a single cell, the unicellular organisms. These tiny organisms are masters of efficiency, carrying out all the essential functions of life within the confines of their single-celled bodies. Take the amoeba, for instance, a blob-like creature found in freshwater ponds. It moves by extending arm-like projections called pseudopods, engulfing food particles along the way. Or consider bacteria, those microscopic powerhouses that play crucial roles in our environment, from breaking down waste to aiding in digestion. Despite their small size, unicellular organisms display a remarkable diversity of forms and lifestyles. They demonstrate that life can thrive even in its simplest forms. Section 4. Multicellular marvels, from cells to organisms. In multicellular organisms like plants and animals, cells take teamwork to a whole new level. Here, cells with specialized functions join forces, working together in harmony to create complex tissues and organs. Think of it like a well-coordinated team, with each player specializing in a particular skill. In our bodies, for instance, muscle cells contract to enable movement, nerve cells transmit signals throughout the body, and blood cells carry oxygen to our tissues. These specialized cells group together to form tissues, such as muscle tissue, nervous tissue, and blood tissue. These tissues, in turn, combine to create organs like the heart, lungs, and brain. And just like that, we have a complex multicellular organism with trillions of cells working together in perfect synchrony to sustain life. Section 5. Prokaryotes and Eukaryotes, two different worlds. Now let's delve a little deeper into the fascinating world of cells, and explore the two major types, prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cells. Prokaryotic cells found in bacteria and archaea are like the simpler, more ancient versions of cells. They lack a true nucleus, their genetic material floating freely within the cytoplasm. Eukaryotic cells, on the other hand, are more complex and include the cells of plants, animals, fungi, and protists. These cells possess a true nucleus, a membrane-bound compartment that houses their DNA. They also contain other specialized organelles like mitochondria and chloroplasts in plant cells, which carry out specific functions. Despite their differences, both prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells share the fundamental characteristics of life. They both have a cell membrane, cytoplasm, and genetic material, demonstrating the common ancestry of all life on Earth. In conclusion, cells are the fundamental units of life, the building blocks of all living organisms. From the simplest unicellular bacteria to the complex multicellular animals, cells demonstrate the incredible diversity and unity of life. Understanding cells is key to unraveling the mysteries of life itself and appreciating the interconnectedness of all living things on our planet.